Hey guys, it's Pauline. I got a couple of boxes in, and so I thought that I would share them with you. This small one, I'm just gonna open it first and get it out the way. Not quite sure what this one is. Got quite a few things coming in. Oh, okay. So this, I think, was the Kate Spade I picked up. They had like this really big sale on top of sale. And then I ended up getting something back, some kind of rebate from Capital One Shopping. Anyway, I have a pair of shoes that I wanted to match. It's an animal print, but I'm thinking this is not gonna match, but I still like this anyway, because I think the one that I have is like brown, like the background is like a tan. But anyway, I think this is so cute. I'm not a big animal print person, but I think this one is pretty. So, don't remember what the name of this is, but we will look at the little tag. It's a cute little clutch crossbody. You got the little tags. Okay, so this is not going to be detachable. So, let's take a look at what the name of this purse is. Oh, okay. Spotted leopard, small flap crossbody, spotted leopard, cream multicolored. Madison is the name of it. Okay, and then, oh, okay, let me see. So we got the chain regardless. Oh, I like that. Okay, I'm happier now that you don't have to do that. But the chain is going to be on it regardless. Okay, that works. Okay, so let's take a look at it without the crossbody strap. But, all right, so we got the name back here. We got a little slip pocket back here. This is really tiny. It's a tiny little purse. This got some little surprises. So we got that dark interior. Got this wipeable material here with branding. And then you got a little zipper section here. I'll keep that in there until I'm ready to use it. So neat. So let's take this out. Oh, and then you got a back pocket with leather trimming. Oh, and I think this would be big enough for your phone. See how big that is? Yeah. So you don't have to take up room on the inside with a phone. So maybe there are some people's arms that's small enough for that, but I'm not even gonna try my arm. But so you will have this at least as an arm carry, but mainly it's cute as decoration. And then you have the crossbody straps. So really like that. And it has the branding on it. So super cute. And that crossbody strap, shoulder strap is adjustable. Yeah, so very cute. I really like it. Even though it's a tiny purse, I really like it. It's going to be really cute. All right, so that's that one. And then I think this is a YouTuber that I bought from. She sells a lot of purses online. I think this is the one that's from her. If it is shipped very fast. I mean, very fast. And so I bought directly from her, not from eBay or Poshmark or any of that. Ooh, somebody smokes. All right. Okay. Oh, we got dust bag. Very nice. So let's take that out. There should be 2 things in here. Maybe she put it inside. So let's see. All right, so we got the vintage looking. Oh, this dust bag is nice. So, oh, this is different. Okay, so this is not from her. So this is from a Poshmark buy. Oh, scrap everything I just said. I saw this and I couldn't believe the price on this. I think this was like $50. I was like, how is this $50? And I was kind of wondering if it was like a fake account or something. But the good thing about Poshmark is you have to rate them for them to release your money. So I like that. I don't know why eBay doesn't do that. Because there are some fake accounts on eBay. But anyway, I mean, this thing is gorgeous. I mean, you can feel it. This is substantial. I don't know what the name of this is. Now, she did disclose these marks. I don't know what that is. I would try to get it off. But even if, it's just, look at that. This little turn lock. I don't know why that's there. It must just be for decoration. But I love it. I'm totally into the turn locks. So we got 2 slip pockets right here. This thing is super clean. And then we got studs all around here. Wow, this is so nice. And this bag was probably, a $700 or $800 bag. And I forgot that this went with it. Look at this. Look how cute. So I don't know if this originally went with it or she just threw this in. Look how cute that is. Now, this is a little heavy. It's not as heavy as some of the other ones because it is canvas. So it's not really that heavy, but it's not light. All right, so let's look at the creed here. Oh, and this was born in 07, the year of my son's birth. And K, I wonder what, I would have to go on my fingers what K is, but I'm guessing it's in the winter months. I was just curious because my son was born in May, so this is past May, I'm sure. Yeah. So anyway, it's probably October, November, somewhere in there. But it would have been neat if that was born on his actual month, because that is his year. But anyway, look how cute this is. Boy, I really scored with this one. And so I got a little vacuum cleaner that I will just vacuum that out. Look at all this leather trimming. This thing is absolutely gorgeous. So, I mean, let's zip it up and so we can kind of get an idea what it looks like. I would have to put a lot of stuffing in it to get it to look like it's supposed to look. But we can get an idea. So you got storage just everywhere in this thing. But it's not so big that it looks like a overnight bag. Got a little scuff in there, but who cares? Look how gorgeous this thing is. I could not believe the price on it. Look at that. Look at the feet. So anyway, guys, well, let me share one more thing. So I ordered a couple things from Amazon. So I've been doing some cleaning up of purses and stuff. And so the horsehair brush that I've been using is starting to wear down. I've been doing so much cleaning. So I could have just replaced the horsehair brush, but then this kit cost almost, it was maybe like a couple of bucks more. And so I'm like, why not get this whole kit? All right. And so that's the name of it. I will try to see if I can link it for you if it's still available. So I got that. And then this looked really cute online. It looks like a hot mess right now. So we're going to take it out of the package. This is supposed to look like a dog, I think. Okay. This does not look like what I ordered. But I don't know. Maybe if I give him a little trim, it'll start to look kind of like what I thought. He was only a few dollars. I guess he looks kind of cute. I don't know if I'll use him. Right? It looks a lot more raggedy than what I saw. But anyway, that's him. Y'all can tell me what you think. All right, so that's what I had to share today, guys. And I will talk to y'all later. Bye.